Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will start a small project. This house is about 70 years old. I'm sure these are originals in very bad condition. I'm going to paint these new. The problem is that these parts are in so bad condition. I have to change these. I have to make these new. These frames I will save. These frames are in quite good condition. Without further ado, let's start. Okay, this next one is going to be quite interesting. I have to drill a hole to the both ends of these wood pieces here and here. To this hole is going this kind of aluminium tube which will allow this to turn. And for that, because I have to drill so many holes, I built this kind of tool that I can just put this wood here, and when it's even here on the bottom, I know that this drill bit will drill this hole deep just enough. That this hole is in the middle, I just have to eyeball it, but it's quite easy to look that it's about in the middle. I can just turn it around and make the other side. So it's there about in the middle, and that's perfect. Next I will smooth out these sharp edges. I'm just using my router bit, 45-degree router bit, and let's do that. Next step is to every piece, one corner will be round. So these two pieces are coming on the top. These two pieces are coming to the bottom. Every wood I have to mark the center point in one corner, and that's because there's coming these kind of things, and these are part of the open close mechanism. All this stuff is ready for paint. I will just wipe it with this kind of grease remover, and then I will paint. And I will do 2 layers of paint. Just a normal outdoor paint, which will give some protection against water and sun and stuff like that. Now I will let this dry a little bit, and then I will add a second layer. Second layer of paint is done. 52 pieces, 4 centimeters long. So I have to get all these screws away. There is 4. I'm sure that these are not so easy. Okay, that was easy. That's garbage. Okay, the second window cover, that's pretty much the same except this part. That's the locking mechanism. Spring doesn't work, it's rusted or something. But it doesn't matter that much. I will take this away. I will change all these parts. And the screws I will change. Yeah, that's the problem why it doesn't work. There is a spring which is broken. I'm not getting crazy with these. I will just make some basic sanding and try to get this paint away, which is already a little bit going away. From our local shop I couldn't find exactly the same length of screws for this, so I have a little bit shorter. That means that I have to drill just a little bit deeper this part, so when this is going through I can put this nut to the other side. That should be enough. All these original holes are kind of too big, a little bit too big for my new screws. Because of that, I'm drilling this hole a little bit bigger, and I'm using these there so I can tighten my new screws. So far so good. 5 already there. If I lift this too much, then this previous one is getting away, and if I lift this a little bit, then these are getting away, and then I have to start it all over again. 6 to go, and it's getting harder and harder when I'm getting more to the end. Oh, last one. Whoa. This really is the trickiest part of this whole thing. I don't know how they did it 70 years ago, but I think the idea is the same. I will do it my way. I hope it will last. Yeah, let's do this. That's pretty much it. Oh shit. It's good enough. Totally open. You can lock it totally closed, and you can look it in between. Yep, a little bit tiny screws, but I will try. If it doesn't stay there, then I just have to put longer screws. I have to find out this about 45 degrees. Doesn't have to be exactly 45 degrees, but something in the middle. It's getting quite close to this edge. If it's exactly 45 degrees, it doesn't matter. It will work, I hope. Moment of truth. I think it will work. Yeah.